Welcome back to the Science Hub SKB. Part 3. Properties of metals, properties of nonmetals, and alloys. Metals are electrical and thermal conductors. Usually, they are shiny, malleable, ductile, and sonorous. Nonmetals do not conduct electricity or heat. Usually, they are dull and brittle. Examples of metals include copper, gold, iron, silver, sodium, zinc, and mercury. They are shiny or lustrous. They conduct heat and electricity. They are malleable and ductile. They're solids except for mercury, which is a liquid at room temperature, and they're very strong and can hold heavy loads without breaking. On the other hand, examples of nonmetals would be bromine, nitrogen, carbon, chlorine, hydrogen, neon, and sulfur. They're usually dull, maybe black, colored, or colorless. They do not conduct heat or electricity except for carbon. They're brittle. They're usually solids, liquids, and gases, and they're not usually strong. Not all metals are solid at room temperature, nor are all of them hard to the touch. Lithium, sodium, and potassium are metals that are soft enough to be cut. Mercury, however, is a liquid at room temperature. Uses of some metals include iron, which is used for making cookware appliances, electromagnets, etc. Aluminum is a very light metal, so it is used to make the body of aircrafts. Copper is used for making electric wires, and silver is used for making jewelry. Uses of some nonmetals include iodine, which is used as an antiseptic. Sulfur is used for making firecrackers, gunpowder, and sulfuric acid, while mercury is used in the laboratory thermometer. Some metals that we use today are man-made. They are mixtures of metals referred to as alloys. Alloys are stronger than pure metals. Examples of alloys are bronze, which is a mixture of copper and tin, brass, which is a mixture of copper and zinc, and duralumin, which is a mixture of copper, manganese, and magnesium. Comprehension. Use your knowledge to fill in the blanks below. Dash is a metal that is a liquid at room temperature. It is often used in thermometers. Some metals are solid at room temperature, but are soft enough to cut like dash and dash. Metals can conduct dash and dash. Mixtures of metals are referred to as dash and are stronger than pure metals. Mercury is a metal that is a liquid at room temperature. It is often used in thermometers. Some metals are solid at room temperature, but are soft enough to cut like sodium and potassium. Metals can conduct electricity and heat. Mixtures of metals are referred to as alloys and are stronger than pure metals. Fill in the table with the correct response using the list below. Phosphorus, sodium, iodine, carbon, mercury, and copper. The elements that conduct electricity from the list would be sodium, carbon, mercury, and copper. The elements that do not conduct electricity from the list would be phosphorus and iodine. Congratulations, guys and gals. I hope you got everything correct. Alright, I hope you enjoyed part 3 of Investigating Matter. See you for part 4.